Bodyline Plastic Repair Kit. Before starting any work, ensure you're wearing appropriate PPE for the task. This product comes in a handy carry case and includes everything required for a cost-effective and efficient repair. Start by using the plastic cleaner and a pre-cleaning cloth to clean the repair area on both sides. Always wipe in one direction to avoid replacing the dirt that's removed. Drill a 3mm hole at the end of the crack. This will help avoid the crack continuing by easing the tension on the plastic. Create a V-shaped groove along the crack with a grip lock grinder and finish off with a P80 disc on a DA sander on both sides. Drill 3mm holes along both sides of the V-groove to create a more effective chemical anchor. This process has a stitching effect with the adhesive. Always start the drill slowly to avoid jumping. Remove any excess material on both sides with a P80 disc on a DA sander and finish off by hand as required. Remove all dust from the repair area with a dry cloth. Measure and cut a piece of reinforcement film to the size and shape of the repair. Shake and apply the adhesion promoter aerosol to both sides in a thin coat and allow 5 minutes to dry. Place the plastic adhesive into the dispenser gun and squeeze a sufficient amount of product out to ensure the cylinders are aligned. Failure to do this could prevent the product from curing. Attach the 50ml mixing nozzle and prepare the product for application. Apply a thick layer of the plastic repair adhesive to the film. It's at this stage that it's important that you selected the adhesive with the appropriate working time for the repair. In this case, we've chosen the standard option, which has a working time of 90 seconds. There's also a slow option with a working time of 3.5 minutes and a rapid option with a working time of 30 seconds. All of these times are based on working temperatures of 23 degrees Celsius. Once enough of the adhesive has been applied, press the film firmly against the back of the repair area, ensuring the adhesive covers the whole repair. You will see that the adhesive is now coming through the drilled holes. Spread the material along the repair. Apply more adhesive to the length of the front of the repair. Spread the adhesive again and leave to cure. The curing time will vary depending on the size of the repair and the product used. Once dry, sand the adhesive back to the original profile with a P80 disc. Once the correct profile has been achieved, use a P180 disc to feather out the edges of the repair to ensure that no hard lines are left.